Let's quickly recap the key points you learned about arrays. Arrays are the simplest data structures and are built into most programming languages. In some languages like JavaScript and Python, arrays are dynamic, which means they can grow or shrink automatically. In Java, however, they're static. Having said that, Java provides a dynamic array implementation using the ArrayList class. Each time an ArrayList gets full, it will grow by 50% of its size. Arrays are great when you know ahead of time how many items you want to store in them. Here we have the runtime complexity of various operations. Looking up by index is an O of 1 operation, so it's super fast. Looking up by value is an O of n operation because we have to iterate over all the items to find a given value. In the worst case scenario, this item is going to be the last item in the array. And finally, insertion and deletion are both O of n operations because the items may have to be copied to a new array or shifted to the left in case of deletion. In the next section, we're going to talk about linked lists.